Did you know that your liver works harder than any other organ in your body, processing over 500 different functions every single day? Yet most people completely ignore the warning signs when this vital organ starts struggling. Today, we're going to explore 12 unusual signs that your liver might be in trouble, and more importantly, how you can help it heal naturally. Many people think liver damage only happens from drinking too much alcohol. That's simply not true. Your liver can become overwhelmed by processed foods, too much sugar, vegetable oils, pain medications, and even certain viruses. The good news? Your liver has an amazing ability to repair itself when you give it the right support. Understanding liver damage warning signs. Let's dive into the 12 warning signs your liver uses to communicate with you. Pay close attention because catching these early can make all the difference. Sign 1. Light-colored stools. When you use the bathroom, your stool color tells an important story about your liver health. Your liver produces bile acids that help digest fats and give your stool its normal brown color. When your liver becomes damaged or develops fatty deposits, this bile flow gets disrupted. This leads to light-colored or clay-colored stools that might even float in the toilet water because of undigested fats. Sign 2. Difficulty seeing at night. Having trouble seeing clearly when the lights are dim? This could signal a vitamin A deficiency caused by liver problems. Your liver's bile production helps your body absorb vitamin A, which is essential for your eye cells to adjust to different light levels. When your liver isn't working properly, you can't absorb enough vitamin A, leading to what doctors call night blindness. Sign 3. Swollen right foot. When blood flow through your liver becomes blocked, it creates pressure that affects your entire circulatory system. This pressure can cause fluid to build up in your legs and feet. If you notice that your right foot or ankle is more swollen than your left, and pressing on it leaves an indentation, this could be a sign of liver congestion. Sign 4. White growths around your eyes. Small white or yellowish bumps around your eyelids might seem harmless, but they're actually cholesterol deposits. When your liver can't break down cholesterol effectively, it starts building up under your skin, especially around your eyes. If you're finding this information helpful, please hit that subscribe button to stay updated with more natural health insights from VIGORPHIL. Sign 5. Right side pressure after eating. Do you feel pressure or discomfort under your right rib cage after meals? This happens when liver damage makes your bile thick and sluggy, blocking the small tubes that connect to your gallbladder. This pressure can even affect nearby nerves, causing tension and pain around your right shoulder. Sign 6. Purple and red skin spots. When your liver becomes congested or inflamed, it produces fewer proteins needed for proper blood clotting. This makes you bruise more easily and can cause unusual purple or red spots that look like a rash on your skin. These spots often appear on your lower legs or arms and indicate poor blood circulation related to liver problems. Sign 7. Cracked heels. Your body needs vitamin B3 to keep your skin strong, smooth, and moisturized. When you have liver disease, your body uses up its vitamin B3 reserves trying to repair liver damage. This leaves less of this important nutrient for other functions, causing the skin on your feet and heels to become dry and cracked. Sign 8. Itchy palms and feet. A persistent urge to scratch the palms of your hands or soles of your feet signals bile acid buildup under your skin. When your liver can't properly filter these acids, they accumulate and cause histamines to build up in your bloodstream, creating that annoying, itchy sensation. More critical warning signs. Sign 9. White or clubbed nails. If your fingernails start turning completely white or develop a rounded, bulbous shape, this could indicate significant liver damage. This condition affects oxygen delivery to your nail matrix. Research from the 1950s found that 8 out of 10 people with severe liver scarring had completely white nails. Sign 10. Dark-colored urine. Your liver breaks down old red blood cells, which contain a yellowish pigment called bilirubin. When your liver or gallbladder sustains damage, this pigment builds up in your body and gets flushed out through your urine. This makes your urine turn dark orange, amber, brown, or even cola-colored. Sign 11. Yellowed skin. When your liver can't effectively filter bilirubin from your blood, it causes your skin to develop a yellowish color called jaundice. This is a clear sign of significant liver damage that could result from hepatitis, cirrhosis, or medication poisoning. If you notice yellowing of your skin, you need to see a doctor immediately. Sign 12. Spider veins. Spider veins look like tiny red dots with spider-like extensions of blood vessels visible on your skin. These appear when your liver can't effectively filter excess estrogen from your blood. High estrogen levels weaken blood vessel walls, causing them to dilate and create these spider-like patterns on your skin. Natural ways to heal your liver. The liver goes through 4 stages of damage: fat accumulation, inflammation, scar tissue formation called fibrosis, and finally cirrhosis. The amazing news is that your liver can fully regenerate and recover when you make the right dietary changes and use natural remedies. Which of these liver healing strategies interests you most? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more natural health tips. Step 1. Clean up your diet. Start by reducing foods that burden your liver. Cut back on sugary, starchy, and flour-based foods like bread, pastries, candies, processed sauces, and soft drinks. A damaged liver responds to fruit sugar called fructose much like it does to alcohol, so moderate your fruit intake while healing. Step 2. Add liver-supporting foods. Incorporate plenty of bitter and sulfur-rich plant foods into your diet. These include leafy greens, artichokes, radishes, garlic, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, kale, cabbage, mushrooms, walnuts, onions, and broccoli sprouts. Foods rich in sulfur help reduce fat buildup in your liver by increasing glutathione levels and supporting natural detoxification. Step 3. Support daily detoxification. Start each day with a warm cup of herbal tea mixed with a teaspoon of turmeric. The natural compounds in turmeric are highly effective at reducing scar tissue formation in the liver and promoting repair from damage caused by toxins and processed foods. Drink at least 8 glasses of high-quality filtered water throughout the day. This helps thin your blood and supports your liver in producing bile to break down fatty deposits. Add freshly squeezed lemon or lime juice to your water for extra detoxification support. Step 4. Include natural healing plants. Milk thistle, dandelion root, and artichoke leaf are powerful herbs that support liver regeneration. These plants contain natural compounds that protect liver cells and promote healing. You can find these as teas or supplements at your local health food store. Taking action for your liver health. If you're experiencing any of these 12 warning signs, don't wait. Schedule an appointment with your healthcare provider and request an ultrasound examination of your liver. Early detection and natural intervention can make the difference between minor liver stress and serious liver disease. Remember, your liver is incredibly resilient when you give it the right support. By making simple dietary changes, adding liver-supporting plant foods, and avoiding processed foods and toxins, you can help your liver heal itself naturally. Join our community of natural health enthusiasts by subscribing to VIGORPHIL and ring that notification bell so you never miss our latest health discoveries. Your liver works tirelessly to keep you healthy every single day. Now it's your turn to return the favor with these natural, plant-based solutions that support optimal liver function and overall wellness.